Samsung is expanding the One UI 8.5 beta to more of its devices, including the Galaxy S24 series, the Galaxy Z Fold 6, and a number of other Galaxy phones and tablets. This rollout is happening in select regions first, such as the US, the UK, Korea, and India, but more devices will get the update in April. The One UI 8.5 beta is designed to make existing Galaxy devices feel like new phones. For those with the Galaxy S24 series or the Galaxy Z Fold 6, this means faster, smarter, and more intuitive interactions. Samsung is also including devices like the Galaxy Z Flip 6, the Galaxy S25 FE, the Galaxy S24 FE, and the Galaxy Tab S4 in the beta program. Users can sign up for the program through the Samsung Members app. One of the biggest improvements in One UI 8.5 is Bixby. Samsung's digital assistant has become much smarter and more natural to talk to. Bixby can now understand questions better and provide simpler answers. It can even locate a setting or a feature requested by the user. This makes everyday tasks faster, from adjusting settings to finding information. Artificial intelligence plays a bigger role in One UI 8.5 as well. Users can now edit images continuously without saving multiple AI-generated versions. This allows for perfecting photos until the desired result is achieved. Sharing files from the My Files app has also been improved, making it easier to move content between Galaxy devices. Screencasting has become more convenient, with the ability to set a shortcut on the home screen to cast phone contents to an external display. Quick Share has also been updated. It can now accept files only from devices signed into the same account, and it can even recognize people in photos, suggesting automatic sharing with them. Customization has received a major boost in One UI 8.5. The clock and widgets on the home screen now arrange themselves around photos of people or pets set as the background. Users can also customize the clock font to their liking. Alarms now display a background that matches the current weather. These small touches make the phone feel more personal and interactive. There are several smaller but very useful improvements. The quick panel is now more customizable, making it easier to access settings quickly. Partial screen recording is now available, saving users the trouble of trimming long recordings. Power saving mode has been improved for longer battery life, while health tracking has better weekly reports. A time zone comparison slider has been added to the clock app, and Auracast features have been enhanced. Bixby now allows easier access to conversation history, and many UI elements have been redesigned to give a more glass-inspired, premium look. It is important to note that some features might differ depending on the device, so not all improvements will appear on every eligible phone or tablet. The beta update for the Galaxy S24 series is around 4.1 GB. Users can check for it through the Samsung Members app by going into Software Update in the settings. From there, simply tap Download and Install, and then Install Now if the beta version appears. If it does not show up immediately, patience is required as Samsung continues the regional rollout. The One UI 8.5 beta is more than just a software update. It improves how the phone responds, making interactions smoother, smarter, and more efficient. It also brings advanced AI features, customization options, and quality of life improvements that enhance the overall user experience. For anyone with an eligible device, enrolling in the beta program is a great way to experience the latest Samsung features before they are released to the public. In addition to software updates, Samsung is offering deals on its latest Galaxy devices. The Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 6 Plus, and S26 are all available with significant trade-in discounts. The Galaxy S26 Ultra can be purchased for up to $720 off with eligible trade-in. Samsung also offers 15% off the Buds 4 series or a $150 add-on credit without a trade-in. The Galaxy S66 Fuzz is available for up to $480 off, while the standard Galaxy S26 can be purchased for up to $380 off. These deals provide a good opportunity to upgrade to the latest hardware while enjoying the newest software features. One UI 8.5 beta ensures that Galaxy phones continue to feel modern and capable. The update focuses on AI enhancements, improved usability, and customization options that make devices more personal and productive. From smarter Bixby interactions to easier file sharing, screencasting, and personalized widgets, the update touches every aspect of daily phone use. Users can also enjoy improvements in battery management, health tracking, and UI design. For those who love trying new features, beta programs provide early access to upcoming updates. They also allow Samsung to collect feedback, helping refine the final release. By participating, users can influence how their devices function and enjoy improvements before they reach the wider public. Whether it is a Galaxy S24, a Galaxy Z Fold 6, or any other eligible device, the One UI 8.5 beta promises a better experience. Devices feel faster, smarter, and more intuitive thanks to AI enhancements, improved customization, and seamless connectivity features. With the continued rollout of the beta program, more users around the world will soon have access to these exciting updates. The process is simple. Open the Samsung Members app, check for the One UI 8 5 beta under Software Update, download and install. Once installed, users will notice faster navigation, smarter AI responses, better photo editing, and more efficient sharing across devices. Samsung has made sure the update enhances both the look and the performance of eligible devices. In summary, One UI 8 5 beta is a significant step forward for Samsung Galaxy devices. It combines smarter AI, enhanced customization, and practical improvements to make daily tasks easier. Early access through the beta program allows users to experience these updates first, helping Samsung fine-tune the experience for everyone. Don't miss out on the chance to upgrade your Galaxy device experience. Check the Samsung Members app today, sign up for the One UI 8 5 beta, and explore the latest features before they reach the general public. Enjoy smarter AI, smoother performance, and personalized customization like never before. Click the link in the description to learn more and start your One UI 8 5 beta journey today.